You will need to gather a clean bucket for the IceDream with the lid, cool water, the case sanitizer, the warm red sanitizer, and the soapy water with the blue towel. You'll also need to gather your 3 different brushes, and the O-ring removal tool. Press the auto key and turn it off. Take off the lids to the hopper and both drip trays. Also remove the shake-based drip trays and take everything back to be washed. Take out the air tubes and turn the machine back on to wash. Use an empty container to empty out the IceDream. On Wednesday and Saturday, discard the IceDream. Any other day, label the IceDream and place it in the cooler for use the next day. Pour cool water into the hoppers. With the water inside, use the brushes to clean the sensor probe, the air inlet hole, and the hopper. Make sure while you are doing this that the machine is still on wash. Empty the water into another empty container. Once it's emptied, turn off wash. Pour the warm case sanitizer water into the hoppers and use the brushes to again clean the sensor probe, the air inlet hole, and the hopper. Turn on wash again. While you wait for your sanitizer to agitate, complete the following tasks. Wipe down the shake-based machine. On Saturdays, you're going to need to unplug the machine so that it can thaw over the weekend. After you unplug the machine, take the shake-based boxes out of the machine and place in the cooler upside down. Then wipe out the machine. Put away the chocolate and the strawberry shooters, and on Saturday throw away all of the Oreo crumbs. Empty out the sanitizer and turn off wash. Turn off the machine. Remove the hand screws from the freezer door. Then take off all of the removable parts from the freezer door. That includes the red star shape, the pivot pin, the draw handles, and the draw valves. Then remove the freezer door and place off to the side. Remove the black rubber gaskets from the freezer door and the white plastic bearings to be washed with smaller items. Remove the beaters from the machine. Take off the white scraper blades from the beaters and set aside to be washed with the smaller items. Remove the drive shafts from the cylinders. Take off the black O-rings from the drive shafts and set to the side. Now remove all of the O-rings from all of the smaller parts using the O-ring removal tool. As you can see, you remove them by placing the edge of the removal tool underneath the O-ring and gently sliding it off. Make sure you do not stretch the O-ring, as this can cause the machine to leak. Wash all of the smaller parts first in warm soapy water, as well as the air tubes inside using the brushes provided. Make sure that all of the lubrication is removed from the parts. Sanitize all of the smaller pieces first, and then set them out on a red tray to dry overnight. You can then begin to wash the larger dishes. Make sure that you use your brushes provided to clean any of the smaller holes on the freezer door. Wash and sanitize all of the small O-rings last, so that they do not get lost. Place them on a key ring and set them to the side so that they can dry overnight. Take your black bristle brush and with soapy water clean the bearings at the back of the freezing cylinder. Wipe down the outside of the machine with a clean, sanitized towel. Remove the IceDream guide sign and wipe it down with a clean, sanitized towel. Wipe down any counter space used to wash dishes. Place the drip trays for the shake base machine back into place.